this ganja. Out to dinner with the homies, private table at Nakama. I'm a new millennium Sinatra. Copper marijuana from the neighborhood. Rastas, chiefin', feasting, king of the new school. I'm speaking in tongues, try translating voodoo. Hold up, let me start again. Undefeated shirt, Levi's, and a Mr. Rogers cardigan. It's a hell of a feeling, being this fresh. Spit seem to sit up on my lips, call it Blistex. Peddling this medical, the presence of a general. Magazine centerfolds, they all up on my genitals. Got the game in the palm of my hand. It's itching, wildin' out, better talk to your man. He bitchin', cause I ain't got a lot of time for these weirdos. Talking shit all up in my earlobes. I just live life, try and do it right. Everyone to hear me say the boy is super nice. Put a bitch up on the flight, she gon' be here by the night. Get some afternoon delight, only eat it if it's right. Call me Stanley Steamer, I be giving her the pipe. And when I'm out of town, she wanna see me, so we Skype. She might get obsessed and keep calling. 30,000 feet, Tom Petty, free falling. Just laying back, letting gravity take its course. I wanna tell all of my haters that we made it, boy. From basement studios to some official shit. I'm stressed out all the times I don't give a shit. Used to dream about it, boy, now I'm living it. 412, it's the most dope syndicate. Had a normal life, but now I'm sick of it. Try and spend money just to spend it, it's ridiculous. Young and so mischievous. Bitch is